Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, welcome and consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that little bell notification below. Do you ever wish you had the ability to read people's minds and influence what they thought of you without having to say anything? Or do you wish you could communicate with people in a more memorable and confident manner? There are simple things you can do to assist influence your relationships and even how others view you, according to the study of psychology. And you don't need any supernatural skills to do this. Just some good old-fashioned mind tricks will suffice. Let's jump on the video without wasting any time. Number 8. Asking someone to help you with a task. You may need to ask friends or family members for a favor from time to time, but these favors aren't always enjoyable, making their desire to assist you less probable. If you need someone to feed your cat for a couple of days while you're out of town, instead of asking them straight up if they can help, create a false dilemma by saying something like, "Hey, would it be better for you to come over and feed Mr. Whiskers in the early morning or the evening?" The person will most likely choose the easier time, and you'll never have the chance to say no. Number 7. The effect of pause. Have you ever paid attention to politicians while they're speaking? I'm referring to the eloquent among them, despite the fact that they often employ pauses in their discourse. You should also pay attention to TED speakers to understand what I'm saying. Before they get to the most crucial section of their presentation, they often observe a lengthy pause, which may be quite successful in catching the attention and interest of the audience. So the next time you're at a class project meeting, a formal conference, or a casual discussion, remember to stop before expressing the major item to keep your presentation or conversation exciting and captivating. Number 6. Check eye color. You have heard it many times in interview articles and psychological videos on how it is optimistic about maintaining eye contact well that can be difficult but not impossible for many introverts. You can hack this by checking the eye color of the other party when meeting them. The eye color. Seriously, yes, the eye color. While focusing on a person's eye color, it becomes easy to maintain eye contact with them for a while. This is good for your confidence, and it makes you relatable. Therefore, you will give off the vibe that you can be trusted. Number 5. Not to get people to agree with you. Another effective way to control people, or I should say influence people, is to get them to agree with you by nodding, just not when you're talking. If you want them to agree with you, this gives listeners the impression that what you're saying is correct, and as social behavior experts have observed, people are likely to nod back when you do this. Number 4. Silence is golden. Keeping silent is a psychological trick that can control anybody. For example, if you doubt that a person is lying to you, just stay silent and fix your eyes on them after they finish talking. The silence and your presumed expectation for more details should spur them toward the truth. When we try to force a person to tell the truth, they tend to come up with lies, but if we just stay silent, they will continue to explain further, which might lead to the fact. So, silence is golden. Number 3. When applying for jobs, make yourself stand out. Do you feel nervous before a job interview? Perhaps you're concerned that you won't stand out enough when interviewing a large number of individuals. Using the serial position effect is a certain method to stand out from the crowd. This is based on the notion that people remember the initial and final sections of things, but not much of the middle. You're attempting to remember a grocery list in under 10 seconds. You'll probably remember the first few and the final few, but not much from the middle, because you recall the beginnings and endings of things. Be sure to include your name and speak about yourself at the beginning and finish of your next job interview. Number 2. Remembering names. Want to have strong connections with people across various fields? Remember people's names. When you next meet, greet them by their name. Hi, John. is better than just saying hi. Don't stop with their names. Remember small details about them too. It could be their car's model, sneaker type, or what they mentioned in the previous meeting. Next time you meet, ask them about it. People often feel important and respected when you recall little details about them that way. You can connect with them easily. Number 1. Ask for big favors. On many occasions, I have felt terrible when I deny someone's request. Let's say you want a donation from a person. Instead of asking them straight up to donate 20 euros, say, would you like to donate 100 euros to assist me when they deny it? Ask a game like this how, about 20 euros, they're more likely to accept your second request. This is because the second offer is lower. Shopkeepers do this every time they first try to sell you for a high price before they go for the lower price. If you start to bargain, do you see that psychological tricks can help you anywhere to achieve things, including saving more cash? If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. That's it from this video. We hope you liked it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Bye!